Ever wonder why data analysis is so crucial in today's digital world? And how Hadoop, a powerful tool, can simplify this process? Let's break it down. Data analysis is like a secret decoder ring, unlocking insights from vast amounts of information. Businesses use it to understand customer behavior and market trends. In healthcare, it helps in predicting disease outbreaks and improving patient care. Technology firms utilize it to enhance their software, services, and devices. Now, dealing with such massive data is no small task. This is where Hadoop comes into play. Named after a toy elephant, Hadoop is no child's play. It's a potent tool that simplifies handling big data. It's scalable, so it grows with your data. It's cost-effective, making it accessible to organizations of all sizes. And it's flexible, allowing you to store and process data in various formats. Understanding the importance of data analysis and the role of Hadoop sets the foundation for our further discussion. Diving deeper into the Hadoop ecosystem, we uncover its major components: HDFS, MapReduce, and Yarn. Each of these components plays a crucial role in making Hadoop the powerhouse that it is for data analysis. Let's start with the Hadoop Distributed File System, or HDFS. This is the backbone of Hadoop, designed to store vast amounts of data across multiple nodes. HDFS breaks up the data into smaller pieces, known as blocks, and distributes them across different nodes in the cluster. This way, it can handle large datasets with ease and reliability. Moreover, HDFS replicates each data block on multiple nodes, providing fault tolerance and preventing data loss. So with HDFS, your data is not just distributed, it's also secure and accessible. Next up, we have MapReduce. This is a programming model that allows for the processing and generation of large datasets. The beauty of MapReduce lies in its simplicity and scalability. It works in two phases: the map phase and the reduce phase. The map phase takes the input data and breaks it down into smaller subproblems. These subproblems are then processed in parallel across the nodes in the cluster. The reduce phase collects the results from all the nodes and combines them to form the output. With MapReduce, even complex data analysis tasks become manageable and efficient. Finally, let's talk about Yarn, short for yet another resource negotiator. Yarn is the taskmaster of the Hadoop ecosystem. It's responsible for managing resources in the cluster and scheduling jobs. With Yarn, multiple data processing engines can run in Hadoop, all at the same time. It ensures that all the resources are used effectively and that every job gets done. These components work together in Hadoop, making it a comprehensive solution for processing and analyzing big data. With HDFS storing the data, MapReduce processing it, and Yarn managing resources and scheduling tasks, Hadoop provides a robust and scalable infrastructure for big data analysis. Now, let's dive into the process of data analysis using Hadoop. First off, we start with data collection. This can be anything from social media feeds, sensor data, or transaction records. Once you have your data, you load it onto the Hadoop Distributed File System, or HDFS for short. HDFS is a key component of Hadoop that allows it to efficiently store and process massive amounts of data across many servers. Next up, we have the MapReduce process. This is the heart of Hadoop's data processing capability. It breaks down the data into smaller, more manageable chunks, or maps. Each of these maps is then processed in parallel, significantly speeding up the analysis. Once all the maps are processed, the reduce step combines them back together, providing a summarized dataset. During this whole process, yet another resource negotiator, or Yarn, is working behind the scenes. Yarn is responsible for managing resources across the cluster and ensuring that each task has the resources it needs to run efficiently. Finally, the output of the MapReduce process is stored back onto HDFS. This output is a goldmine of insights, ready to be analyzed and used to drive decision-making. Remember, the value of data lies in the insights it can provide, and Hadoop is a powerful tool for extracting those insights. So, this is the simplified process of data analysis with Hadoop. It's not as complex as it might seem, right? Before we wrap up, it's essential to revisit some key points about using Hadoop for data analysis. Hadoop shines with its scalability, allowing you to process petabytes of data with ease. It's also cost-effective, turning a cluster of computers into a powerful data processing unit. Its flexibility lets it deal with both structured and unstructured data. The components, HDFS for storage, MapReduce for processing, and Yarn for resource management, all play crucial roles. Remember, Hadoop isn't just a tool, it's a comprehensive solution for big data challenges, making data analysis easier and more efficient than ever before.